Hey there guys, welcome back to Vlogmas. Today we're gonna do a very simple recipe that is a great gift idea. You wanna start out with a tablespoon of coffee beans and you wanna cut them up a tiny little bit. This is hard to do, but you can do it, I believe in you. Then you want to take a little bowl above some hot water that should not be boiling, just warm. And you want to melt your chocolate in that little bowl. When it's completely melted, you want to add 1 to 2 teaspoons of cardamom. And if you want to use some instant coffee, you want to mix that in really well so it's completely distributed evenly in the chocolate. Then you want to take your chocolate molds and you want to pour the chocolate into that. And this looks so delicious already. Oh, I love melted chocolate. And then you want to make sure it's distributed nice and evenly. And you want to go ahead and sprinkle the coffee beans on top because it looks really good and it also tastes great. So perfect. And when you're done with that, you want to make sure there's no air left by tapping it on the counter a couple of times. Then you just have to wait for this to cool down. I would say wait for at least 4 hours, better overnight. Do not put it in the fridge, just put it in a cool room that you have in your house. And then you're ready to enjoy. And I think these are such great gifts for your loved ones. And yeah. Hope you try it, and I'll talk to you tomorrow. Bye!